Right heading, chapter number 7, wave optics of your textbook, part 2 का फर्स्ट चैप्टर है. Two theories I will teach you later. I am starting with a topic called wave front. फ्रंट मतलब आगे क्या पीछे?
आगे.
आगे. तो ये अगर ऑब्जेक्ट है, सोर्स, इसमें से लाइट निकलने वाला है, ये ऐसा जाएगा ना आगे, ऐसा जाएगा ना आगे, हर साइड में आगे जाएगा ना, करेक्ट? हेलो.
Yes.
So if speed of light is c, then what is distance covered by light wave in time t second? Will it be ct? Will it be ct? Distance covered? बोलो फास्ट फास्ट. Will it be ct?
Yes, sir.
Yes. तो ये ct डिस्टेंस वाला पार्टिकल in every direction will get light disturbance or not?
Yes, sir.
Will it get light disturbance simultaneously or after gap of 5 seconds, 2 seconds?
Simultaneous.
साइमल्टेनियसली. जब भी इसको मिलेगा डिस्टर्बेंस, इसको भी तभी मिलेगा, इसको भी तभी मिलेगा, इसको भी तभी मिलेगा, इसको भी तभी मिलेगा. ये सब पार्टिकल को ज्वाइन किया तो एक सरफेस दिखता है मुझे, इसको बोलते हैं वेव फ्रंट. सो लोकस ऑफ ऑल पार्टिकल्स. in locus we focus on particles satisfying certain geometrical condition. सर्कल मतलब क्या? किसी को मालूम है व्हाट इज सर्कल? इट इज लोकस ऑफ ऑल द पॉइंट्स व्हिच आर इक्विडिस्टेंट फ्रॉम फिक्स्ड पॉइंट कॉल्ड एज सेंटर. नॉट फॉलोड. हेलो हेलो.
Followed, sir.
व्हाट इज परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर? Locus of all the points which are equidistant from end points of a segment. Na, suppose you take point, ये segment से equidistant है, so it lies on perpendicular bisector. That locus is called perpendicular bisector. In geometry you might have studied. So in our physics, what is wavefront? It is also collection of particles. That means locus of all the particles of the medium which receives light disturbance simultaneously and are in same state of vibration. Again, I am repeating a very important term, wavefront. Locus of all the particles which receives light disturbance simultaneously and are in same state of vibrations is called as wave front. Any doubt in this? Hello, any doubt?
No, sir.
No, there are three types of wave front. First, spherical wave front. Second, cylindrical wave front. Third, plane wave front. Then one by one, we'll see how they are drawn or how we can obtain this. Copy full. Completed full?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Spherical wave front. Spherical wavefront means we should get sphere. That means if this is point source of light situated in an isotropic homogeneous medium such as air, it will emit light wave in all direction. If c is the speed of light, then the waves will cover distance ct in all direction. Will cover ct in all direction. A surface drawn passing through all this particle represents sphere. Imagine आपका fist एक पॉइंट सोर्स है, उधर से हर डायरेक्शन में लाइट व्हेन इट मूव्स, when you cover all the particle, what it will look, sphere or circle? Sphere, na? Hello?
Sir, could you explain again?
I said suppose my fist मतलब अपना हाथ का मुट्ठी रहता है ना, वो पॉइंट सोर्स है, ठीक है? फ्रॉम देयर लाइट ऊपर नीचे राइट लेफ्ट हर एक डायरेक्शन में जाएगा ना.
Yes.
So if I cover all those particle which are at same distance, वो मुझे क्या दिखेगा? स्फीयर दिखेगा क्या सर्कल दिखेगा?
Sphere.
स्फीयर, उसको ही बोलते हैं स्फेरिकल वेव फ्रंट. गॉट इट?
Yes, sir.
So consider point. Avan, how much I had done in the morning class? This I had done?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Spherical wave.
I think till this we had done ना spherical wave front था.
Yeah, sir.
अच्छा ठीक है, चलो ये एक बार वापस. हाँ, consider point source of light O situated in an isotropic. Isotropic means velocity of light in all direction is same in that medium. So consider point source of light O situated in an isotropic medium. Isotropic homogeneous medium. फिर इसका नोट्स भी आज भेज दूंगा. Homogeneous medium such as air. It will emit light in all direction. Let c be the speed of light. Hence, in time t seconds, each wave will cover distance ct. Thus, all the particles of, please draw diagram and copy this much, then I'm completing further.
Thanks, sir.
Done? Yes, everybody has done this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thus, all the particles of medium which are at distance ct will receive light disturbance simultaneously and are in same state of vibrations. A surface drawn passing through all these particles represents sphere called as spherical wavefront. Copy. Just now I sent one note. It's written wave theory of light, which is part of wave optics. Is it opening? Just check.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So this and one chapter interference together it is called wave optics. Copy this much.
Thanks.
Done. Shall I clear now this one?
Yes,
Second.
sir.
Clear na? Shall I clear it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Second one, cylindrical wave of front. Cylindrical wave front. This is one linear source of light A, B, situated in an isotropic homogeneous medium such as air. It will emit light waves. Same concept. This is linear source. So light will move from all the point source in the straight line. So consider linear source of light AB situated in an isotropic homogeneous medium such as air. It will emit light wave in all direction with same velocity. Let C be the velocity of each light wave. Therefore, in time t second, each wave will cover distance ct. Thus, all the particles at distance ct will receive light disturbance simultaneously and are in same state of vibration. A surface drawn passing through all these particles represents a cylinder called as cylindrical wave front. Suppose you take pen. Pen is our linear source. Imagine surrounding that you are drawing one surface, encircling it. क्या लगेगा वो? सिलेंडर ना? एक पेन, उसका आजू बाजू में एक सरफेस बना दिया. Will it look like a cylinder?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
That
Yes,
is
sir.
nothing but cylindrical wave front. So first you draw the diagram. Draw diagram and write that part which I have written.
Done, sir.
It will emit light waves in all direction with same velocity. Let c be the velocity of each wave. Hence, in time t seconds, each wave will cover same distance ct. Thus, all the particles of medium which are at ct distance will receive light disturbance simultaneously and are in same state of vibrations. A surface drawn passing through all these particles represents a cylinder called as cylindrical wave front. Yes, copy. See, everybody is writing the notes properly, or you're just sitting and you're not writing anything. Please keep on writing, because now your habit is lost of writing part. So in this, you'll be used to that type of culture, because final exam will be in writing only this time. It won't be MCQ based. Avan, how was your test paper which you gave in your college exam?
So which, like, previous one?
Where rotational dynamic,
yeah.
because of you I have started.
Yeah.
What mark you got?
20.
Okay, good, very great. Full got, na? 20 out of 20?
Yes.
Yes, great. A surface drawn passing through all these particles represents a cylinder called a cylindrical wave front.
Done, sir.
Okay. Everybody is done?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Third one. plane wave front. See, if this is point source and at very small distance we are drawing wavefront, spherical wave. So this will be its part looking like a curve. If I go on increasing the radius, what will happen after some time? It will look like plane. So when source is at very large distance, point source, तो spherical wavefront का वो part क्या लगेगा मुझे? Plane जैसा क्या नहीं?
Yes.
Suppose this is cylinder. This is the curved part of cylinder. I go on increasing the radius. So stage will come that the curved part will look like a plane or not? Hello?
Yes,
So,
sir.
so when source is at very large distance, then part of spherical wavefront or cylindrical wavefront represents a plane called as plane wavefront. So if the source is at very large distance, it is also called as extended source of light. Can you tell me what type of beam of light will come, inclined or parallel, if source is at infinite distance? This ray of light is always represented by parallel beam of light. Correct? Have you
Yes,
heard
sir.
this? If point is at infinite distance, like we do in lens, then rays originating from that, it is like parallel to the principal axis. So this is parallel beam of light, and this is called as plane wavefront. So waves are coming from point source or linear source from infinite distance, then part of spherical wavefront or cylindrical wavefront represents a plane called as plane wavefront. Clear? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
When point source or linear source of light are situated at very large distance, also called as extended source of light. Extended source of light. Then part of spherical wave front or cylindrical wave front represents a plane called as plane wave front. Copy. Completed? Yes, completed.
Yes, sir.
Right. Example. The wavefront obtained due to sun is always plane wavefront. The wavefront obtained due to sun is always plane wave. I'm clearing this, okay? Can I clear this?
Yes, sir.
Huygens principle. Huygens principle. See, if this is wavefront, then all the particles on the wavefront, have they received light disturbance? All these particles, if it is part of wavefront, then has it received, all the particles have received the disturbance? All the particles have received disturbance? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So this particle, after receiving the disturbance, will they absorb the light or they will propagate the light? Suppose एक टॉर्च lit किया घर में, तो खाली वो 1 सेंटीमीटर तक जाता है क्या? Or it will keep on moving, it will keep on propagating. So all these particles, they are behaving as secondary source or not?
Yes, sir.
So this is main torch from where light is coming, but this light will keep on moving ahead. So can I say these particles are behaving like secondary source?
Yes, sir.
And if I join all the wavelets after time t second with the help of sphere, so I can get again another wavefront. ये सब को join किया तो बराबर ना? नहीं समझा रहेगा, फिर से first part. Every particle of the medium on the wavefront will behave as secondary source of light and send secondary wavelets. From one we are getting many wave. इधर एक आया, इधर से many wave. So one से many wave, we say wavelet. एक बैग के अंदर बुक है, we say booklets. लीफ का अंदर छोटा छोटा लीफ, we say leaflet. If we take Cadbury का full piece, we say chocolate. If I stir the egg, then we say omelette. So all let means many. So every, first principle is this, every particles of the medium behaves as secondary source of light. Every particles of the medium behaves as secondary source of light. Secondary source of light. and sends secondary wavelets in all directions with same velocities, but in forward sense. First principle: every particle of the medium on the wavefront, नहीं लिखा, on the wavefront behaves as secondary source of light and sends secondary wavelets in all directions with same velocities but in forward sense.
Done, sir.
Okay, everybody has completed.
Yes, sir.
Second point: suppose this is one particle on the wavefront, it will send wavelets in all directions with same velocity. So if c dash is the speed, then in time t it will cover distance c dash t in all medium. So if I take this particle as center and draw the sphere, so this position of sphere gives me secondary wavelet after 3 seconds. Envelope drawn passing through all the spheres, envelope drawn means tangential surface, represents secondary wavefront at that instant. So every particle of the medium on the wavefront behaves as secondary source of light and sends secondary wavelet in all direction with same velocity but in forward sense. Envelope drawn passing through all the secondary wavelet represents secondary wavefront at that instant. Envelope drawn passing through all the secondary wavelets represents secondary wavefront at that instant. Yes, right. Second point, envelope drawn passing through all the secondary wavelet represents secondary wavefront at that instant. Third point, if we know nature and position of wave front. Nature means whether it is spherical or plane. If we know nature and position of wavefront at any instant, then we can find nature and position after some instant using geometrical construction. Using geometrical construction मतलब है sphere draw करके. Geometrical constructions called as Huygens construction. If we know nature and position of wavefront at any instant, then we can find nature and position after some instant using geometrical constructions called as Huygens construction. That means backward wala sphere we have to neglect. That is called Huygens construction. Now complete. Completed.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Explain construction of secondary spherical wavefront using Huygens principle. using Huygens principle. That means we want secondary spherical wavefront. So first wavefront is second spherical only, usse secondary spherical niklega, that we have to explain. Consider spherical wavefront PQ obtained from point source O situated in an isotropic homogeneous medium such as air, traveling from left to right. That means right is forward direction for you. Just draw diagram this much. Hello? Maruti, next one. Future. Six, seven, eight, six. 6, 7, 8, 0 पे रखना है। एक निकाल देते हैं ना अपन, कुछ अपन रखा है सर। रिलायंस निकाल देते हैं क्योंकि उतना नीचे नहीं आएगा। चलेगा। Drawn this much.
Yes.
Let A, B, anywhere you can mark this point. C, D, E be the particles of the medium on the wavefront. Mark this 4 point. Have you marked it?
Yes, sir.
Now take this point as center and any radius whichever you feel. Now you draw with judgment. You can draw with compass also. Draw spheres, backward wale ko dotted. B as center with same radius, draw sphere, backward one is dotted. C as center, same radius, draw sphere, backward one is dotted. With D as center, same radius, draw sphere, backward is dotted. Completed this much? 4 spheres with same radius.
Yes.
Centers are A, B, C, D. Then draw one tangential surface, that means touching wala. Give the name RS and this distance is C dash T. That means C dash T is radius and A, B, C, D are our centers. So RS represents secondary spherical wavefront at that instant.
Done, sir.
Okay. Consider a spherical. Okay. See, notes I'm not dictating to save the time because same thing is given in the note. Can you open the page? थोड़ा error rectify कर देता हूँ so that I can explain next topic. It is written, consider spherical wavefront PQ obtained from point source. In place of C, you should be writing O. Correct? लिखा दो क्या? मिस्टेक है इसमें थोड़ा. Consider a point source of, consider spherical wavefront. So please write down first paragraph. Consider spherical wavefront PQ obtained from point source O situated in an isotropic homogeneous medium such as air traveling from left to right. Traveling from left to right.
Done, sir.
Leave one page for completing further. From the notes you can rewrite. I will rectify all the errors and once again send. So I'm not wasting the time in writing part. Easy topic it is. Completed? This much completed. Can I clear? Leave one page. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Right. Explain construction of secondary plane wavefront. Explain construction of secondary plane wavefront. So just draw one plane wavefront PQ obtained from extended source of light traveling from left to right. Draw this much. Here plane wavefront PQ obtained from extended source of light traveling from left to right. Arrow indicates forward direction is right.
Done, sir.
Okay. Let A, B, C, D be particles of the medium on the wavefront. Mark this particle with A as center, C dash T as radius. Draw one sphere in forward sense. Backward wala dotted dotted. Same way with B as center, draw the sphere backward wala dotted dotted. C as center, draw the sphere backward wala dotted. D as sphere, backward wala dotted. Then draw this tangential surface RS. This is C dash T. हेलो मैडम, कितनी बार आज मेरा ग्रुप वाले फोन करेंगे? कितनी बार फोन करेंगे आज मेरा वाले? Right. Consider a plane wavefront PQ obtained from extended source of light situated in an isotropic homogeneous medium such as air traveling from left to right. Please complete till this. If completed, tell me so that I can move ahead.
Done.
Everybody is done? Traveling from left to right.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let A, B, C, D be the particles of the medium on the wavefront. Particles of the medium on the wavefront. These particles behaves as secondary source of light and sends secondary wavelets in all direction with same velocity, but in forward sense. Let C dash be velocity of each wavelets. Hence, in time t seconds, each wave will cover same distance C dash t. Complete this much. हेलो, 2 मिनट पहले आपने फोन किया था ना। आप नाम के आगे कैंसर भी नहीं मारते, खाली सुबह से एक काम दिया है तो वही खाली दूसरे को तंग करने का क्या? Shall I clear full? Yes, completed till that. We'll cover same distance c dash theta.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Pakka? Yes, can I clear this theory? Thus, with A, B, C, D as centers and C dash T as radius, draw spheres in forward sense. A tangential surface RS drawn passing through all these spheres represents secondary spherical wave front at secondary plane wave front at that instant. So if they ask diagram, weightage will be 2 marks. Diagram and explanation, it can be 3 marks. Next class will be able to complete chapter called wave theory of light, which is part of wave optics. That is on Friday. Part of wave optics completed. Next week, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, interference and diffraction I will try to complete.
Done, sir.
Done? Everybody has done?
No, sir, just a
Yes. Please revise. This is total theory chapter.
done, sir.
Okay. So that's all for today. We'll meet tomorrow in